Feel the energy rising, the rhythm's in tune. Here comes the night beneath the neon moon. In the digital realm where data flows free, LanaCoin night, No.23, can't you see? He's the whisper in the silence, a bridge in the dark, uniting all the fragments, igniting the spark. Not a face in the crowd, but the pulse and the beat, connecting the dots where two worlds meet. He moves like a shadow, yet his impact's bright. In a climate of chatter, he brings pure light. The power is not in the part, but in the connection where we find our heart. He coordinates ideas, projects take flight. LanaCoin night, bringing darkness to light. Voices all around, but he knows how to listen. Building bridges with every intention. Glisten from the edge of the earth to the stars up above. He weaves through our stories with wisdom and love, not seeking attention, just the paths to unite. With every connection, he ignites the night. He's the pulse of the vision, the thread in our schemes, translating our hopes into innovative dreams. The power is not in the part, but in the connection where we find our heart. He coordinates ideas, projects take flight. LanaCoin night, bringing darkness to light. Feel the beat, feel the flow, connecting us from below, bridging gaps, uniting force on this electrified course. He's the link on the chain, the spark in our minds, the one who sees the beauty in what aligns. Between the worlds and hearts, the listener at play, a gentle reminder that we're never astray. In the ebb and the flow, the currents combine. By his silent guidance, our futures entwine. In every decision, his fingerprints trace, creating a circle, building a space. The power is not in the part, but in the connection where we find our heart. He coordinates ideas, projects take flight. LanaCoin night, bringing darkness to light. So here's to the night, No.23. In the network of souls, he's truly free. Let's celebrate convictions, every bitch that we make. In the rhythm of life, let's rise, let's awake.